4 weeks today, we started the seeds under a paper towel. In 4 weeks, we're going to boost it up to the 800 watt for about an hour and a half. Let's take it back down. We're going to break it in this week to 800 watt. So there's 800 watts. We have our pH down from Advanced Nutrients. We're going to give it 1 drop. That's good. I'm going to give it a shake. We are done using the Clonex solution on this. This product right here, we are done using it. It's been 28 days today since they were planted. Plenty of time. They've got really good root growth underneath there, I guarantee it. We're just going to give them water today, and we're going to start them on a grow fertilization program. And there we have it. 31 days today since we put the seed underneath the napkin. And this one is definitely the largest one. We're going to just plain water them today. So this will be the second watering since we stopped on the Clonex. Just like with fertilization programs, you need 2 watering after the fertilization before you should fertilize them again. That'll pick up any of the nutrients still left behind. We get our 1 drop of pH down from Advanced Nutrients. You're going to drop back in there till it slows its pace down. Then you let it drop 1 drop in there. Not doing any testing with the meters. We should be pretty close. It will probably give this one the whole water today. Going with the ½ gallon of water on these 4 today. It's another gallon of solution with 1 drop of the pH down. We have us another gallon of pH balanced water. Now with these plants growing every day, we're about at the time where the light more likely needs raised again. We're looking at the top of that canopy at 24 inches. So that's grown up dramatically. So we're going to go up with this 5 inches. There we got 29 inches. So we're good. Some of these will be over 30 inches. The thing is, we're not going to have any leaf burn on any of these plants.